I'm Nicole. I'm the chef on this tour, and today we're market shopping. Gonna get some fruit. This is when they get funny with the price though, because I'm American. Well, if you speak French, that usually kind of helps a little bit. I think there's gonna be a lot of apples, so we can just do one full bag and then probably stop tomorrow too. Ah, merci.
Adiós. Kilo. ¿Cuál es tu favorito?
Regalo de Madrid. Regalo Madrid.
Yeah.
This is my every single day.
It's so cool. Is everybody always so nice?
These are like shallots. That'd be good. How much?
For what?
For like per kilo.
120 for kilo.
A typical day in my life as chef starts at like 4:30 when I wake up, when it's nice and black outside, and then I make coffee, most importantly, and then breakfast for everybody. I would stop at local markets and sometimes grocery stores like Carrefour or whatever I can find on the route, and then I roll into camp, and then I start dinner. Tonight we're making a Moroccan coconut curry. I went to the market today, so we got a bunch of fresh veggies and mint and beans and apples and everything.